Welcome to Honors Geometry, Lesson 12.4, Volumes of Prisms and Cylinders. This time we're going to be finding out how many cubes fit into a prism or a cylinder. Okay, the volume of a prism is expressed by the formula V equals capital BH. B again stands for the area of the base, and the height, that stands for the height of the prism. And sometimes if it's a rectangular prism, you might see it this way: length times width times height. That's an H, really. Sometimes you'll see it that way. We're going to use this formula because this will apply for all prisms. So the volume equals, okay, area of the base. The base is a rectangle down here at the bottom. So 10 by 4. And then the height is 7. So the volume is 280 centimeters cubed. That is the volume of that prism. Let's look at another prism. Okay, this is a triangular prism. Notice that both bases right here are triangles. So the volume equals area of the base times the height of the prism. Okay, that base is a triangle, so B is going to turn into 1/2. The base of the triangle is 5, the height of the triangle is 6, and the height of the prism, the distance between the two triangles, is 10. So the volume is 150 inches cubed. Alright, oops, went the wrong way. Okay, sometimes your prisms are not going to look real nice. Okay, this prism, the base is this whole front surface here, and of course there's another base in the back that looks exactly the same. So we're going to find the area of this base, and we're going to multiply by the height of the prism, the distance between the two bases, 3. V equals capital B H. H is 3. Area of the base we're going to figure out right now. Now you could either cut it here to make two rectangles, or you could cut it right here to make two rectangles, and that's what I'm going to do. So this will be an 8 by 8 square. Area of that is 64. Alright, let's see here. It says that this whole thing at the bottom here is 10, and part of it is 8. That makes 2 here, with a height of 6 right there, because it equals that. That's 12. So the area of this complete front is 64 plus 12, 76. So the volume equals 228 inches cubed. Alright, let's go to a cylinder. It's very similar. Okay, because the base is a circle, instead of capital B, we're just going to write pi r squared, because that's the area of a circle, times the height of the prism. So the volume of the cylinder, 3.14 for pi. The radius is 10 squared, times the height of the cylinder, 25. So the volume is 7,850 feet cubed. And that is how you find the volume of prisms and cylinders. This will conclude Lesson 12.4, Honors Geometry, Volume of Prisms and Cylinders.